watery sperm, sperm leakage, and low sperm count. These are three different things. They do not mean the same thing. Okay, so for in this video I'll be talking to you about what watery sperm is, causes, and what to do. And then sperm leakage, that is when a woman after sex she stands up and then she sees the sperm, especially for those that want to conceive, when you should be worried or not. Then low sperm count, I'll tell you what it is, but on my next video I will now tell you the causes and treatment because of the time frame. But if there is still time, I will talk about it. But if the time doesn't allow it, because I try to make the videos short, not longer than 12 minutes maximum, because most of you don't have that patience to watch a long video. I would have made all, but at the end of the day you won't watch all and you will miss important information, so I'll just cut it. So for this video we'll be talking about sperm leakage and watery sperm. They are two different things. Please take note of that. My name is Nurse Merit and I am a nephrology nurse. If this is your first time joining us here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, whether this topic concerns you or not. But trust me, I post things that concerns everybody, woman or a man, your heart, your kidneys, general ways to stay healthy, drugs, and all of those things. So I think it's going to be best that you subscribe. You hit the subscribe button. Subscribe doesn't mean money, it just means to follow this channel and then put your notification button so that whenever I post a video you get a notification. Okay. Now, what is sperm leakage? Now, most ladies complain that when they stand up after sex they will see sperm come off from their vagina, and they are worried that this means a sign of infertility, or it means that something is wrong with her as a lady. Maybe probably is not going in, maybe something is blocking her vagina that is making the sperm not to go in. Why some of them or some men are actually saying okay is because the sperm is not okay enough, is because the sperm is watery. That is why this is happening. Excuse me. So this is not entirely true. Yes, it is not. Now, when you have sex, immediately you have sex, the man ejaculates in you. The sperm travels immediately. He ejaculates in you, the sperm travels fast. Now, that thing that man ejaculates in you has three components: the semen, the sperm cells, and the and some other fluids that are from the prostate gland and the cowpea gland. So when a man ejaculates in you, it is not only the sperm that he ejaculates. In fact, the sperm is the smallest thing that he ejaculates in you. So he ejaculates these three components that I've mentioned: semen, sperm, and some other fluid from the prostate gland. These things that I mentioned help to protect the sperm itself and make it swim so that it can swim freely. Okay, so what's now happened when he ejaculates in you? Those things that you see that come out are not sperm, they are semen and those other fluids. The sperm is protected already, and immediately your man ejaculates, piam, it swims. It's fast, it's faster than all of those things. So it's very fast, it swims in to your uterus, looking for to your vagina, from your vagina to your fallopian tubes and uterus, trying to find an egg to fertilize. So when you stand up, what comes out, those fluids, they are not sperm, they are semen. Please get this thing straight. It has nothing to do with you getting pregnant. Please, it has nothing. If you're not getting pregnant, there are other things that are causing you not getting pregnant, not because you stood up and the semen your husband ejaculated comes out. Okay, now it also happens to some that have their sperm consistency is not too thick. Some people it happens, but it doesn't happen immediately. They have to, when they go in the toilet urinating, okay, or even the next day, for people that have thick sperm. So it is not a problem. Now, why you may not be getting pregnant are some other reasons. I have a video on, locate that video on why you may find it difficult to get pregnant. There are some things that will make you, even from your man, not from you, or even from yourself, like so many things. So just locate the video and remove your mind that why you're finding it difficult to get pregnant is because your husband sperm is coming off. Okay, it is supposed to come off. That is semen. I hope this is very clear now. Let's get to the second topic, which is watery sperm. Semen. Watery semen or watery sperm, however you will call it. Now, most of the times, a watery sperm or watery semen doesn't mean that the person has low sperm count, but it may suggest that the person has low sperm count. It is most of the times it doesn't really mean it. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you causes of watery sperm. Please be aware that it's not every watery sperm that means the man's sperm is bad. This is why I'm so number one cause of watery sperm is low sperm count. Now, a man's sperm is considered to be a man's semen. You know, the semen, like I said, is that fluid. Okay, it houses the sperm. Okay, so a man's semen is considered, or sperm is considered, to have low sperm count when it is less than 15 million millimeter per millimeter. Yes, if it is less than, your sperm count is less than 15 millimeter per millimeter, it means the person has low sperm count. Now, the person has low sperm count. Now, the next thing that makes your sperm watery is excessive ejaculation, or excessive ejaculation in the case of masturbation. Yes, masturbation can cause this condition. Okay, this is because, you know, when you ejaculate, people that masturbate actually ejaculate several times. The first time you ejaculate, they ejaculate several times in a day or in a week. So if you notice, the first time you ejaculate, you see the consistency, the thickness will be different from the second, the third, the fourth. As you ejaculate more, it becomes, you know, the sperm becomes watery and watery and watery. So ejaculation, the amount of time you're ejaculating also affects the consistency of your sperm, especially for people that are masturbating. If you're trying to stop masturbation, and the effect of masturbation, I have a video on that here on my YouTube. Please locate that video and watch it. Causes of masturbation, side effects, and how to stop masturbation. Okay, now please, it is also very important to note that another cause of watery sperm, very important, supposed to be the number 2, is zinc deficiency. Zinc, okay, it's a supplement. Okay, there is this thing called antibody response. Your antibodies try that is produced by your immune system. Okay, there are some antibodies that is produced by your immune system. They attack the sperm cells, thinking that they are foreign bodies, that they are bad for your health. This happens when you have zinc deficiency. Okay, so when you have zinc, a lot of zinc, helps you to fight off infection and make your body, you know, respond well and fight off infection, and then your body doesn't see your sperm as bad influence on your body. Okay, so zinc deficiency is another cause of watery sperm. Another cause of watery sperm is actually pre-cum. So most people see pre-cum not knowing that it's pre-cum. They actually thought it's sperm. No, pre-cum is that liquid that you know comes out before you ejaculate. Okay, those fluids contains semen. Most does not contain sperm, while most contains semen. So just check the liquid, okay, and know if it's actually what you're seeing, if it is pre-cum and not sperm or semen that has sperm itself. Okay, so The next thing is just like I said, your antibodies that is produced, attacking your immune system. So let's talk about treatment options. Number one, finding out what is going on. If it is frequent ejaculation like masturbation, you have to stop masturbating. It has effect on your sperm consistency, especially if you're trying to give birth. Okay. Zinc, try to eat well, eat healthy, eat food rich in zinc, eat good food, nutritious food, take fruit and vegetable, take a lot of water, work out, and before you take zinc supplements, make sure your doctor sees you to know if you have any health issues. Please do not take testosterone on no account. Please, I'm going to do that, talk about that when I'm talking about low sperm count and how to treat low sperm count. Okay, so that is all about it. Like this video, share, and hold on for the next video about low sperm count. It's going to be wonderful. You will learn a lot. Make sure you subscribe and hit your notification button so that you will get my